Good morning students. Let's resume to the class on adjectives. In the previous class I taught you positions of adjectives and we learned that there are three positions of adjectives, that is before a noun, after a pronoun and after the forms of the verb. Okay, today let us learn kinds of adjectives or types of adjectives. Adjectives can be classified into various types. Okay, adjectives can be classified into various kinds, but it depends on the information it provides. Okay, adjectives can be classified into various types, and classification of types depends on the information it provides. So let us learn one by one a few types of adjectives. The first type is adjectives of quality. Okay, adjectives of quality. So this type of adjective describes or gives information about the nature of a noun and idea of a characteristics. So adjectives of quality describes nature and characteristics of a noun. Examples: Milan is a brave boy. Brave is adjective, and so this gives what type of boy is the Milan, or what is his nature. His nature is a brave nature, courageous nature. Ria is an angry person. Here angry is an adjective. So one of her characteristics is, or one nature of the Ria is a angry, being angry, and so adjectives of quality describes nature and characteristics of a noun. Okay, the second type or the second kind of adjectives are adjectives of quantity. Okay, adjectives of quantity. Here quantity means something that we measure, which cannot be counted, but you find it in measure. And adjectives of quantity come before uncountable nouns. So adjectives of quantity come only before uncountable nouns, and they mention how much. They mentioning how much. And here are some of the adjectives of quantity, like some, enough, much, little, a few, etc. are adjectives of quantity. Here are some examples. He would have driven some distance if the car had enough fuel. Here, distance is an uncountable noun. Distance is uncountable noun. It can only be measured. And so, here some is adjective of quantity. And so it comes before uncountable noun, which is a distance. If the car had enough fuel. Fuel is also a uncountable noun, and so enough is adjective of quantity. Next example, I ate some rice. Rice is uncountable noun, and some here is a adjective of quantity. Okay, so remember adjectives of quantity come before uncountable nouns. Okay, third kind of adjectives. Adjectives are adjectives of numbers. Okay, these type of adjectives come before countable nouns. Okay, these type of adjectives come before countable nouns which you can count, and mentioning how many. Okay, mentioning how many. So some of the adjectives of numbers are like 1, 2, 3, etc. First, second, third. Ordinal numbers and cordial numbers. So for example, 3 girls shared the first rank. Okay, 3 girls shared the first rank. Girls, as is here, is a countable noun, which you can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here countable noun, and so the adjective of number comes before countable noun. Shared the first rank. Even rank can be counted. And so here countable noun rank. So here the adjective of numbers comes before the rank, which is countable noun. Next example, a few chocolates are left over in the box. Here chocolates. Chocolates is a countable noun which you can count by numbers. And here a few is a adjective of numbers. And so it comes before countable noun, which is the chocolates. And so remember that adjectives of numbers come before countable nouns. The fourth type is distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are used to separate or to distribute a group of people, things, places, or if they are in pair of people, things, or places. Okay, so it refers to each person, thing, or place in a pair or group. Suppose you find in group, how do you distribute them, or how do you separate them? By using distributive adjectives like each. If there are 5 persons, so you want to separate them or distribute each person, then you use each person. Suppose you want to refer to a group of places, then how do you separate them or how do you distribute them? By using every place or everything. Okay, so these are distributive adjectives used to distribute or separate group of things, places, or persons. Each, every, either, and neither. Example: every pencil has been sharpened and each child was given a sharpener. Here, which is distributive adjective? Every pencil. Okay. Here pencil, maybe there are more than one pencils, maybe 10 pencils, and then they are separated or distributed by using distributive adjective. Every pencil has been sharpened and each child. So there are more than one child. So maybe a group of children of 20. So all 20 of them are given pencil, sharpened pencil, and they are distributed or separated by using distributive adjective, that is each. Each child was given a sharpener. Okay, next example, each student was given $2. Here students, maybe there may be students of 25. So each of them are distributed or separated by using each, which is a distributive adjective. So each student was given $2.